This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ilona Noreen. Discover your dream home today. This stunning 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom gym with a spacious 3-car garage is waiting for you in a gated community designed for your ultimate comfort and convenience. Step into the open floor plan and be amazed by the huge primary suite that will become your sanctuary. With a state-of-the-art recreation center boasting 2 pools, a fully equipped gym, and various outdoor amenities like walking paths, a basketball court, multiple playgrounds, and a splash pad, you and your family will have endless opportunities for fun and relaxation. Don't miss out on this chance to live in a brand new home with meticulous landscaping, offering a vibrant and active lifestyle. Act now and make this house your forever home. For more information, review the